Hey, welcome. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, I am super excited to jump into my first project pan of 2020. For 2019, I did a year-long project pan, and that was my first time doing a year-long pan, and I just kind of decided it wasn't for me. It was a lot to take in. It was a lot of products. I did 18 products, and it was a lot of things to like keep track of, a lot of things to like make sure I was using. And I think I've just come to the conclusion that I like smaller projects with like less products, so like a short period of time and just focusing on a few things. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on this year. I don't know how many I'm going to be doing. I think it'll be like a continuous thing, so instead of working on like a bunch of products for the entire year, it'll be like working on a few products for like a few months and then moving on to something else, because I feel like that'll be more interesting. For my first project this year, I have 8 products actually, and my goal is to have this project from now until the beginning of spring, which I believe is like March 21st or something. It's like right around there. It's like March-ish. I don't remember exactly, but I've got like 2-ish months. So I have kind of 2 categories of products. They are all makeup, which is fun, but I have like products that I'm wanting to finish and then products that I just want to use because I don't think I'm gonna finish them, and I don't necessarily want to finish them. I just want to get some use out of them. Does that count? Yes. Let's jump into the products that I am planning on finishing by the start of spring. The first one is this blush from Pacifica. I got this in Ipsy years ago. The package is broken. It's like annoying to use. But this used to be my absolute favorite blush, and I've kind of forgotten about it. And so I don't even remember the color of this. I don't remember what this is even called. All the packaging is rubbed off. I want to say it was like the Pacifica coconut blush or something, but this nude color is beautiful. The pink is really pretty too, but like that nude color is beautiful. I already have lots of pan going on, so I want to finish that by spring. The next one that I think I'm not going to have any problem finishing is this primer. This is from Bare Minerals. This is the Prime Time Original Foundation Primer. I've used this over and over for years, and I got this one for Christmas last year, I believe, so like in 2018. So I've had this a little over a year, and I just want to finish it off. I can't really tell how much is in here, but it doesn't seem like a lot, honestly. Like if I had to guess, it's probably around like here-ish. So I probably got like maybe a quarter of the package left. And so I think I'm honestly going to be able to finish this no problem, especially because I do enjoy this primer. I just kind of forgot about it. I found it in my vanity the other day when I was doing my Shop My Stash, and I was like, whoops, I should finish this. The next one I want to finish is this mascara. This is from Thrive Causemetics, and it's the Liquid Lash Extensions. Now, my friend actually gave this to me, so it's already pre-loved. And I've used it a few times, and I just kind of keep forgetting about it. So I know there's not like a ton of product left in here, but I want to use it because I did like it. So I probably am not going to have like very many uses out of this. Like it's probably going to be like less than 10. So I have no doubt in my mind that I can finish this. I just want to finish it off. And the last product that I want to finish is the NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. I've had this for a while, and it's an okay primer. It's not fantastic, but it's not bad. I want to finish this before summer because I feel like it doesn't do super well when I'm like sweaty or like doing a bunch of things. So I figure winter is the perfect time to finish this off. I feel like I still have quite a bit of product in here, but it's not like not doable. Like I haven't been wearing eyeshadow primer recently because I've been lazy, and so I just need to wear eyeshadow primer and eyeshadow, I guess, to finish this off. Now, on to the second category, stuff that I don't necessarily need to finish, but I just want to get some use out of. The first one is this eyeshadow quad. Actually, I have 3 products from Wet n Wild in here. I haven't purchased from Wet n Wild in a while since they've like, I don't know, their cruelty-free stance is confusing and I just feel like it's shady, so I have stopped purchasing from them. But I do enjoy their products, so the products that I still have, I'm still using. I'm just not repurchasing anything. But I have this quad. I actually picked this up when I was in, I think when I was in Phoenix, like last year. This is the Coloricon eyeshadow quad in the shade Fit for a Queen. I do think this is pretty. I think all of these are very subtle. Like, it's super easy to work with. I just always forget about it. It was sitting in my vanity drawer for like ever and I just never reached for it. So I want to get some use out of it. Again, I don't plan on hitting pan on any of these eyeshadows. I just want to use it. One that I think I might be able to finish, this is the Liquid Catsuit Shimmer Liquid Eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Cashmere Love. I think this is really pretty. This is another one from Wet n Wild. It's like a liquid shadow, and it's super glittery and shimmery. I do enjoy this. I've used it quite a bit. And it's just another one of those things that I kind of forget about, but it's super pretty. It makes for a really easy eye look. You can just kind of like toss it on the eyes, blend it out a little bit, and like you're good to go. Or you can even add like other shadows in there, but I love this for a one shadow look, so I just want to get more use out of it. It is starting to like separate a little bit, or maybe I've just used it so it's emptying. I don't know. I feel like I've just had it for a little while and I want to get rid of it soon, so I want to get some more use out of it before I do. The last Wet n Wild item is one of my favorites, like old favorites. I feel like I haven't used it in a while, so I don't really know if it's a favorite anymore, but I loved this for years. This is the Wet n Wild Ticket to Brazil bronzer. It's like their color icon. I know they reformulated these recently and like repackaged them, and I was really tempted to buy one of the repackaged ones a while ago, but the color was totally different. Like, this is the perfect color bronzer for me. Like, it's light and it's not over the top. It's got a little bit of a shimmer and it's just super pretty. I feel like the new one was darker and it just, even though it said like the same color, it just didn't vibe the same. And so I haven't used this, like I said, for a long time. 2019 was like the year of bronzer for me. I went through so many bronzers, or maybe not went through, I tried so many bronzers, and this one just kind of got left by the wayside. So I want to use this again. I am definitely not close to pan, but you can see there's like the pan rings in here. But there is still like some imprint from the product, like the original imprint, and so I know I still have a lot of bronzer in here, so I want to use it. The last item, this is from Tarte. This is the Tarteist lip paint, and it's in the shade Flaming Hot. It's this really pretty lip gloss. I got this in BoxyCharm last year, like not even that long ago, like mid-year. The only issue is my cap broke, so I have like some washi tape on it because it was like, I feel like it just wasn't closing right, so I just kept like cranking the top on like harder and harder, and then like a chunk of the top came off and I was like, rude, okay. But this is a really pretty gloss. I have a gloss on already, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more because why not? I feel like the name of it really fits the color, Flaming Hot. It's just like, it's kind of reddy orange, but then there's like this blue shimmer to it. It's just such a unique lip gloss color, and I really like it. I just forgot about it for a long time. I thought I lost it, and I recently found it again and kind of fixed the cap. So I just want to use it because the cap is broken. I feel like it might go bad soon, or it might just like turn weird, and so I want to use it before I lose it. But those are my 8 products. I think I've got a pretty good chance on finishing quite a few of these. If you're interested in seeing how I do with these products, make sure to subscribe because I will be doing an update and then I'll do like a conclusion. Since it is a short period of time, I don't feel like I need to do one like every week or something, that'd be a little much. So I'll probably just do like one update and then a conclusion. But I think I can do this. What are you trying to finish? Do you have things that you're working on? Do you project pan? I'd love to hear about it down below. But that is it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys.